the giant monster in the wood transport job. Have you ever seen heavy-duty logging trucks before? Or have you ever operated? Perhaps this video will help you understand more about these specialized vehicles, how they work and how they navigate through challenging mountainous terrain. Today, let's explore together. Hopefully, this will be useful information for your work. Let's go! Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button for the channel. The Ural 4320 truck is one of the popular heavy-duty trucks in logging areas, especially for transporting wood. The truck is designed to transport heavy goods all over difficult and rugged terrain. The powerful diesel engine of the truck provides power to the wheels, enabling it to overcome difficult terrain. This truck has the ability to carry a maximum payload of 6 tons. With such a large payload, it is widely used in the transportation of wood and other raw materials in the forestry industry. The special feature of this truck is its flexibility in transporting goods. This truck is equipped with a 6x6 drive system, which enables it to move on any terrain, including rugged terrain, swamps, or uneven roads. It is also equipped with a removable wood harvesting component, making it easy to transport wood. However, the use of the Ural 4320 truck to transport wood has also a negative impact on the human living environment. The damaged terrain caused by each transport journey adversely affects the landscape and biodiversity of this area. Transporting wood by truck in muddy conditions is a big challenge for drivers and transportation staff. Mud can cause the truck's wheels to get stuck, making it difficult and time-consuming to transport goods. With a 4-wheel drive system, the TATA 1212 TC truck is capable of overcoming difficult terrain, but mud still poses a challenge to it. The powerful diesel engine enables the truck to move onto challenging terrain, but the traction of the wheels still depends greatly on the depth of the mud. In addition, transporting wood in muddy conditions also affects the truck's load capacity. When the wheels get stuck in mud, it also means that the truck's load capacity will increase because it needs to use more power to overcome difficulties. However, with good driving skills and experience, drivers and transportation staff can still overcome this challenge. The wheels of heavy-duty specialized logging trucks are an essential component in transporting goods. To ensure safety and efficiency during transportation, the wheels of logging trucks are designed with specific characteristics. Firstly, the wheels of heavy-duty specialized logging trucks must have high durability and load-bearing capacity. These wheels are often made from durable materials such as steel, alloys or high-quality technical plastics to withstand the weight and force of the cargo. In addition, the wheels of logging trucks must have good traction to ensure safety when traveling on hilly or slippery terrain. These wheels are often designed with deep tie grooves to increase traction and reduce the risk of slipping when traveling on challenging terrain. The engine of the TATA LPT 4x4 timber transport truck is considered one of the most important factors in the process of transporting wood. The engine is designed to ensure maximum power and efficiency while also helping the truck operate smoothly and safely on difficult terrain. With power from a turbocharged 6-cylinder 5,883cc diesel engine, the TATA LPT 4x4 can operate on difficult terrain and withstand heavy loads. The engine is also equipped with a water cooling system and an air intake cooling system to ensure efficient and durable operation. The 4x4 drive system of the TATA LPT 4x4 is also designed to ensure good performance on hilly terrain, while also helping the truck operate stably on highways. However, operating the TATA LPT 4x4 timber transport truck also requires skilled and experienced drivers, especially when moving on muddy or rough roads. Drivers need to have a proficient driving skills to ensure safety for themselves and the cargo on the truck. Though there are many types of vehicles that can be chosen to transport harvested timber to the production site. Operating these vehicles requires skills and experienced drivers who can handle any potential challenges that may arise during the driving process, while always ensuring the safety of themselves and those around them. The emergence of these specialized timber transport vehicles has made the transportation process quicker and easier, saving time and labor costs while promoting productivity. Investing in these types of vehicles is mandatory requirements for large timber manufacturing plants, as it not only saves time and labor costs but also ensures the safety of drivers. We hope that you will find relaxation and enjoyment while watching our video. Please support our channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Goodbye and see you in the next video.